Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating a solid anchor point on your device and nearby furniture. Make sure the anchor is immovable and won't flex. Once identified, compare the cable head to the device slot and confirm the cable diameter fits snugly. Prepare any necessary tools, screwdriver or wrench, to expose the anchor location. As you work, keep the key or combination accessible and orient the cable so it will reach comfortably without creating tension or tripping hazards. Thread the cable around the chosen anchor and return the looped end to the lock head. You need a clean pass without sharp kinks because bending weakens the cable. Insert the lock into the device slot or mounting bracket. For keyed locks, push until it clicks, and for combination locks, set and scramble after engagement. Once locked, pull the cable taut and position the device so there's no leverage point. Make sure ports and vents remain accessible and unobstructed. Finish by verifying security. Gently try to move the device and check that the lock does not shift. Operate the latch a few times to confirm consistent engagement. Make a note of the key code or write the combination and store it separately so you can access it if lost. If the lock sticks, apply a small amount of graphite or silicone lubricant, realign mating surfaces, and retry. If problems persist, switch to a spare key or consult the manufacturer for replacement to avoid damaging the device.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.